In this video, we'll explain shortcodes and how they work to power your Carrot website. We'll cover what they are, how they automatically populate information about your business onto your homepage and auto location pages, and how to adjust their settings. Let's get started. Your Carrot website uses shortcodes to make localizing and personalizing your site quick and easy. They pull info like your company name or market city directly from your site settings into your website's content. These shortcodes will be wrapped in brackets like this. This means that you can update information in one place, your website settings, rather than needing to update it on every single page. So for example, if you change your business phone number, you could update that info in your settings and your phone number would automatically update everywhere the phone shortcode appears throughout your website. When you launch a new Carrot website, we ask you some questions about your business. Things like your company name, phone number, and primary market, city, and state where you do business. We take this info and use shortcodes to automatically insert your business info throughout your new website. Shortcodes are used to automatically pull in information about your business onto your website pages and content. For example, your homepage will feature a market city and market state shortcode throughout your content, including the headings on the page. When you're editing your Carrot site in the visual editor, you'll see the bracketed shortcodes displayed. However, if you preview one of your pages, you'll notice that the information a visitor to your website sees will automatically be updated to show your business's location, city, and state. When you're getting started, we don't recommend deleting these shortcodes. That's because the shortcodes are one of the main ways we help automate your SEO, search engine optimization. We've included your market location shortcodes strategically in your website headings along with other words and phrases relevant to the types of leads you've told us that you are focused on. These shortcodes also power our auto location pages feature. Carrot's auto location pages allow you to mirror the homepage content without having to manually update each individual page created. You tell us the secondary market location you want to attract leads in, and we will override the market, city, and state shortcodes used on the homepage with the city and state you've told us to create a new auto location page for, focused on that secondary city. That's why we generally don't recommend deleting or changing the shortcodes used in your website content that we generate for you. Shortcodes save you time, and they are the magic behind many of our most powerful SEO features. However, if you are an advanced user with a strong understanding of SEO, you do have the ability to delete the shortcodes and replace them with other content. You can also use the Override Market Settings tool if you prefer to create location pages manually. For most users, we recommend auto location pages because it takes care of the heavy lifting for you. But some advanced users like to create custom location pages manually for each market they serve. If so, you can manually duplicate a copy of your homepage or any other page, and then use the Override Market Settings tool to keep the market city and market state shortcodes in place, but change the city and state that appears when a visitor sees the page. After launching your site, your company info is found and can be changed under the General tab in your site settings. You can access the settings area from the left side navigation inside your dashboard. The fields such as company, phone, and city, state, and zip code that you do business in will determine the default shortcodes used throughout your site. Be sure to save your changes at the bottom of the page when updating your company info. Check out Carrot's Help Center for more tips and tutorials.